Unlocking the power of coordination skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an important concept that's not just vital in language, but in life: coordination skills. Whether you're collaborating with others, managing tasks, or simply trying to improve your English, understanding coordination skills can significantly boost your proficiency. So, let's break it down together. Coordination skills refer to the ability to use different parts of the body smoothly and efficiently. But it's not just about physical movements. In a broader sense, it's about organizing and balancing various tasks and responsibilities effectively. This could mean coordinating your thoughts to speak or write clearly in English, managing your time to study while working, or even working with others on a group project. Learning a new language involves juggling grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and comprehension all at once. This requires excellent coordination skills to integrate these aspects seamlessly into communication. Moreover, effective coordination helps in multitasking and managing your learning process, making your study sessions more productive and less overwhelming. Improving your coordination skills can have a direct impact on your English learning journey. Here are some tips. Practice regularly. Consistent practice helps improve both physical and mental coordination. Engage in activities that require multitasking or use different parts of the brain. Break tasks into smaller steps. This makes it easier to manage and execute tasks, enhancing your coordination in handling complex language concepts. Stay organized. Use planners or digital tools to keep track of your learning goals and deadlines. This helps in balancing various aspects of language learning effectively. Collaborate with others. Working in groups or with a partner can improve your ability to coordinate thoughts and actions with others, boosting your communication skills in English. Coordination skills are a fundamental part of learning and using English effectively. By understanding and improving these skills, you can enhance your ability to learn, communicate, and collaborate more efficiently. Remember, it's all about practice, organization, and a bit of teamwork. We hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.